the Always Believe house. Today we're going to have more FUN fun, because we're going to do Staar Review number 21. Ho, 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 ho. Today we're going to rock and roll through the back of this, and we are going to have a BLAST, 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 blast. Oh, so a magical whiteboard appears, and let me get you started off on number 17. Ladies, this is the Zenith Valentine's Day to get Imasuge Bubba Bob 4 ounces of Mystic Manly Man Cologne. Oh, that's more power cologne. Bubba Bob uses 1/10 of an ounce per day, okay? So since he's using the cologne's going to go down. Your growing number is going to be negative, and you start off with 4, right? Okay, now then, this is your y-intercept. Y-intercept's going to be 4. I'm not going to have you fill in all the blanks, you know it. But your x-intercept is going to be your y-intercept divided by your growing number, right? So how many times will 0.1 go into 4? That's when you will run out of cologne. Should be able to finish up the rest of this, okay? Should be able to do 17, 18, 19, and 22 of that, okay? Now then, let's go to number 20. This is living life here after Christmas, guys. If you got Hot Wheels and Matchbox, who needs a real car when you can get a Corvette that's a Hot Wheel? So he has 300 Hot Wheels and Matchbox cars. Wow. So your Hot Wheels will be X, your Matchbox will be Y. So we're going to have, and I'm going to put, right here, let's see, Hot Wheels is X, Matchbox is Y. So we're going to put X and Y there. And then we know that we're going to have X plus Y equals 300, right? So our total number of cars is 300. This right here is your equation. He has 60 more Hot Wheel cars than Matchbox cars. Okay? So this right here is going to be your equal sign. He has 60 more Hot Wheel. First off, what does he have more of? He has more Hot Wheels, right? So since he has more Hot Wheels, our Hot Wheels is what? X. We're going to have X equals, he has less Matchbox cars, so we have to add 60 to get to the Hot Wheels. So remember, it's big equals small plus the difference. Big equals small plus the difference. Y'all see how that works? Right here, my Hot Wheels is my big one. My Matchbox is my small one. Let me spell big right. So I have more X's than I do Y's plus the difference, okay? So it's big equals small plus difference. That's how you get that equation. Now then, you're going to type in menu 32 enter on your calculator and type that in and find the number of Hot Wheel and Matchbox. If it's a word problem, you do not have to do the arithmetic. Get the equations and work it out. Number 21. This looks like fun. If you have a fraction, try to get rid of the fraction first. Our common denominator would be 4, wouldn't it? Okay, so we're going to distribute 4 to every term. This right here would cancel out, and I would just have 3. I'm going to bluebell truck 3. Right here, half of 4 is 2, and I'm going to bluebell truck my 2. So this is going to turn into 24x minus 48 less than or equal to 16x plus 80. Now that I don't have a fraction, I should be able to solve that for x. I am not going to take the joy away from you. You can finish that up. Let's go to number 23. I'm just going to start these and you're going to finish. This right here is going to be substituted into that y. So I'm going to write this equation over here, 3x plus 3. Then I'm going to put a parentheses, negative 2x plus 7. And then I'm going to put equals 3. Now then, this right here, I'm going to solve for x. So I'll get x equals something right here. Now then, I'm going to go over here. I'm going to write down y equals negative 2x plus 7. Whatever my x is, goes right here. Then solve for y. And then your answer will be the ordered pair, right? So I'm not going to take the fun away from you on that, okay? Let's go to number 24. We need an opposite here, okay? We need an opposite here. Since the y's have opposite signs, I'm going to get my y's to be opposites. 3 and 4 both go into 12, so I'm going to make the y's 12. I'm going to multiply the top equation by a positive 4, and I'm going to multiply the bottom equation by 3. So I'm going to get 16x minus 12y equals 12, and then 9x plus 16y equals negative 96. Okay, is that going to work? Did I do that right? Negative 96, you subtract, you will get a decimal on this. I'm sorry, did I do that right? This should be 12. So 12 and then 96, right. So you're going to add and go straight down. This is going to be a fractional answer here. Okay, so you'll get a fraction, y equals a big fraction, and then you're going to take that and I would plug it into this one. 4x minus 3y equals 3. Then solve that. You could do menu 3 to enter, and it will give you the fractional values for those, okay? So work that out. That's going to be kind of tough to do, so I believe in you. You can do it. Number 25. They're going out to eat again. Bubba Bob, Emma Sue, Lucy Claire go to Robidoux Cafe. Bubba Bob gets 8 wings and 10 chicken livers. Wow. That's living life, guys. So this will be our X, this will be our Y. Okay, 8 hot wings, 8X plus 10Y equals 11.4. A hot wing cost, a hot wing equals, so a hot wing is X. X equals 30 more than a chicken liver, right? So X cost a chicken liver plus 30 cents. That's our next equation, okay? So I'm going to do menu 3 to enter, get the X and the Y, and then I need to find the cost of the mega platter. So you're going to get your X and Y, multiply them both by 30, and write down that total cost. Let's go to the next one. Number 26, draw the picture. Okay, draw a picture. I'm not going to do all this for you. Plot the point, -5, -4, somewhere down here. Then draw what the line looks like, right? If it's flat, it's going to be x equal. If it's vertical, it's going to be, if it's flat, it's going to be y equal. If it's vertical, it's going to be x equal. This is undefined. This is 0. Should be able to answer it. Number 27, we need a line perpendicular to this one. So we're going to get the slope of that line, negative a over b, is going to be negative 2 over 3, right? Then we want to change that slope to the perpendicular. We're going to switch the negative to a positive and flip. So 3 over 2, right? That's going to be my m. This is my x, this is my y, and we want it in standard form. So we're going to plug this into point slope. Y minus 1 equals 3 over 2, parentheses x minus 3. Y'all should get good at this, okay? You've been doing it since December. This is the hardest thing you did in the fall, and y'all got to get solid steppy. Okay, now then remember, when you get here, the denominator goes left, the numerator goes right. So you'll end up with 2y minus 2 equals 3x minus 3. Then I'm going to let you turn that into standard, okay? 28, read through that, see if you can answer it on your own. Okay, you should be able to do it. You're going to round it to a whole number. That's basically a junior high math problem with direct variation in it, kind of. Have a wonderful, wonderful day. Remember, you are amazing. You are created to do wonderful things, and you are awesome.